How to fix iPhone sending green messages. Let's get started. Launch your iMessage and open conversation with anyone. Here I have typing the text. It is showing this green arrow over here. If you're trying to send text to any of the Android user, it's gonna appear green icon over here. But in the case you are trying to send the text to the iPhone user and still you are getting this green icon, then you can follow these steps. Open your settings app, scroll down, find the option messages. Once you find it, open it. You will see this option of iMessage, toggle on for it. With that, you will see the option of send and receive, open it. Over here, you're gonna find two sections. You can receive iMessages to and reply from and start new conversations from. For both these sections, you have to check in for a number as well as email address. Once you do that, you will be good to go. Heading towards next solution, open your settings. Scroll down, open the option general, scroll all the way down, click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset network settings. Now type in your passcode over here and continue with the process. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. This is how you can fix iPhone sending green messages. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.